welcome to my channel ChemTalks by TK. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can study the first 36 elements of the periodic table so easily. So, from today onwards, you just don't want to by heart each element in the table. You just want to remember only simple sentences or simple stories which I'm going to teach you in this video. So, are you ready? Okay, then let's get started. So, before going to study the tricks, I want to give you some small description about the periodic table. Okay, so when we talk about the history of the periodic table, there were many scientists who tried to classify the elements. They were Dauberiner, Newlands, Mendeleev, and so on, so on. So, and there were limitations also. Okay, I don't want to go much deeper. So when we talk about Mendeleev's work, he presented his periodic table of elements based on increasing atomic weight. Based on increasing atomic weight, and that was on 1869 in a presentation to the Russian Chemical Society, and his table was the first to gain some acceptance in the scientific community. Okay, but there were some limitations also. So in 1930 it was Henry Moseley who tried to classify the elements based on increasing atomic number. And so when he classified elements based on increasing atomic number, many of the limitations were able to overcome, and this model which we are following as this modern periodic table. So when you talk about the periodic table, two names you have to remember compulsory, that is Mendeleev and Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley actually discovered this modern periodic table, that is based on elements elements are arranged in increasing atomic number. Okay, that is a small description about the history. There are totally 118 elements. Okay, in 118 elements. So the elements 113, 115, 117 and 118. These are the most recent discoveries, and these were officially confirmed by the IUPAC on December 2015 only. And they proposed names. Called, can you see, Nihonium, that is NH, Moscovium, that is MC, Tennessine, that is TS, and finally OGA is the organization. And these names were made official in 2016 only. So now we are going to study the elements by period wise, okay, not by group wise, because I think period wise studying is more convenient, because so that you can easily recollect the atomic number. We are going to study the elements by period wise. Okay, so the first period, we know that first period it has only two elements, that is hydrogen and helium. So to remember this, just think that two friends meet together. So one says hi and the other says hello. So hi, hello, hydrogen, helium. I have darkened the first letter of each word. Okay, you can see there. Now I hope you have studied the first period. Now coming to the second period, you have to remember this simple sentence. Okay, what is that? Listen BBC news on Friday night. Listen BBC news on Friday night. So the first word listen, that's for lithium. In BBC, the first B for beryllium, the second B for boron, the third C for carbon, and in news for nitrogen, O for oxygen, and Friday F for fluorine, and in night the first N, that's for neon. Okay, now moving to the third period. Okay, you have to remember this simple, just think a simple story. Okay, I will say you what's that. Just imagine a shoddy or a dirty magician who aligned his 6 phones successfully in air. Okay, just imagine that scene in your mind. Now that is a very classic art. Okay, so shoddy, that is for sodium, magician, that's for magnesium, and in aligned, you can see aligned, that's for aluminium, 6 for silicon, 4 phones, that's for phosphorus, and in successfully you can see Su, that is for sulfur, classic, that's for chlorine, and finally art for argon. So you have to remember only this sentence. What is that? Shoddy magician aligned 6 phones successfully. Classic art. Hope that is also clear. Now moving to the fourth period. Fourth period, we have 18 elements in total. So to study the 18 elements in a single sentence, it's very difficult. So I have just split it into 2 simple sentences. Okay, the first sentence is that you have to remember Paul named student. Okay, he called science teacher very cruel. So ma'am really get irritated because of that. Okay, so just remember this only. Paul called science teacher very cruel, ma'am irritated. Okay, so the Paul, that's for potassium, and called, that's for calcium, science for scandium, teacher, that's for titanium, very for vanadium, cruel, that is for chromium, and ma'am for manganese, and finally iron, that is for irritated, that is for iron. So the remaining of the fourth period, just imagine a simple story. That there is a cobbler named Nick. Okay, he copied some zinc girl statues from in the German art gallery. So by seeing this, a selfish brother cried. So what is the sentence? You have to imagine this scene in your mind. Okay, so the sentence is cobbler Nick copied zinc girl German art. Selfish brother cried. So in cobbler, which represent for cobalt, Nick for nickel, copied for copper, zinc, same as zinc, girl for gallium, in German that's for germanium, art for arsenic, and finally selfish brother cried, that is selfish for selenium, bro for bromine, and finally cried for krypton. So that's all. I think it's clear that you have I think that you have studied the first 36 elements now after watching this video. Okay, so if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe.